I'm here with my Dash Mini Rice Maker, and I am going to be cooking some steamed seafood.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I have this bag of frozen seafood. This is Harvest of the Sea seafood medley, shrimp, blue mussels, scallops, and calamari. And I got this at Costco. I don't remember how much this bag was. I want to say maybe it was like $19.99. It's a really big bag. This is 2.5 pounds of frozen seafood. And I'm going to steam some of this in the Dash Mini rice cooker. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of water to the rice cooker. And the next thing I'm going to add is this stainless steel bowl. This is a stainless steel bowl from the Dollar Tree. It is the smallest stainless steel bowl that they sell in their kitchen section, and it fits very well in this rice cooker. As you can see, it fits perfectly in the rice cooker. Now, is it perfect? No, because it's metal and the inside of the rice cooker is non-stick, but it will do, and I haven't noticed it causing any damage around the outer rim of the rice cooker, so this is what I'm using. I've loaded it up with the scallops, the shrimp, and the calamari. I did not see any mussels in the top of the bag. Maybe they all fell to the bottom of the bag, but this will be fine. So I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to press cook. And we're going to come back in 15 minutes to check on it and to see how it's cooking. It's been 15 minutes now, so let's open this up and let's see what's going on. It sounds like the water has gotten up to a boil, but it doesn't look like the seafood is cooked yet. This rice cooker does take a while to come up to a boil, so let's check back in another 15 minutes and let's see what's going on. It's now 10 minutes later. Let's take a look at what's going on in here. So it looks like the shrimp have cooked. The seafood always releases a lot of water. And looks like the scallops are cooked too. And yeah, it looks like the calamari is cooked. So it took a total of 25 minutes from the time I put the seafood in here to now. So in 25 minutes, I was able to steam some seafood in my Dash Mini rice cooker. Here's the seafood on a plate. If I was eating this, I'd be putting some garlic butter on it. I love this kind of seafood with garlic butter. It's so good, almost like a shrimp scampi. But I did not make this for myself. I made this for a family member who likes to eat it plain. So I'm just going to taste, I think I'm going to taste one of the pieces of calamari. I just want to, let's cut open a scallop. These are pretty small scallops. I just like to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. They are, I've been cooking a lot of the bigger scallops recently, like sea scallops. These look good. The shrimp are nice and pink. They're nice and done. They might be a little bit overdone. Let me taste a piece of the shrimp. They're not chewy or rubbery yet, so that's good. The shrimp could have been done like a minute sooner, but when you're dealing with one of these seafood mixes, everything is always not perfect. But let me taste a piece of the calamari. Very tender, not chewy, so I'm really happy with the seafood. It was so easy to cook in the Dash Mini rice cooker. Took 25 minutes. I was able to set it up, plug it in, kind of forget about it while I was doing other things in the house. As long as I had my timer going, I knew to come back and check it. And so this is how easy it is to make some steamed seafood in a Dash Mini rice cooker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.